CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Hi, yes. I see your page on Facebook. Are you a mobile mechanic?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I have some questions. I was seeing if you can repair my car. So I had got my spark plugs taken out, and then one of them was stuck. But when he was trying to put it in, he didn't want to force it in, whatever. So he feels like it needs to be rethreaded. Do you do rethread repairs?
Ooh. That's usually you pull the cylinder head. If you want to do it properly without toasting your engine, you pull the cylinder head and you have a machine shop do it. Because you have to cut metal out of the spark plug hole, or you drill it, and then you rethread it, and all that metal goes into your cylinder, and then it scores up the cylinder. So to do it properly, I won't do that in the field. To do it properly, you have to pull your cylinder head and take it to a machine shop.
CarHelpout.com.
Okay.
And it becomes a huge issue.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I wish I had a better answer for you than that.
No, it's okay. I mean, everyone has been telling me that, but I was trying to avoid it, but it seems like I'm going to have to do that.
Yeah, what kind of vehicle is it?
I have a 2018 Dodge Charger SXT, the 3.6 liter.
Okay. Fuck, how did that guy pull the threads out of that, man?
Well, the thing is, I'll give you like a little backstory to how it all went down. So when he came, everything was smelled like butter, but just that one spark plug, like he wasn't trying to, when he was, because I was on site watching him, but I kept going in and outside to go see. And then he said, like, when I went out there, he was like, I run into a situation. I was like, what happened? And he was like, this spark plug is stuck. It doesn't want to come out. So he was like, we're not going to give up yet. He was like, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lubricate it, and then we're going to go from there, but we're going to have to let it sit. So he let it sit overnight. So this is the next day, he come at 6, 7 in the morning, and then he was able to take it out, he said, but then when he was trying to put the new spark plug in, he said it was stuck to go in.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
So that's where I'm left at. So I'm just, but today will be like my fourth day, my car just sitting there, and it's so crazy because I'm just like, what's up? But yeah. So that's what happened. So I don't know if he like stripped it or like damaged it like for real, or like he just scared to like do it to damage it.
Fuck it, the deed's done. Might as well send it. Try to put that spark plug back in and send it. See what happens.
Okay.
That's honestly, I mean, worst case scenario, you send the spark plug into orbit and have to get a new ignition coil as well, which is $60. Best case scenario, worst case scenario is you send the spark plug into orbit, have to buy an ignition coil, and have to have your head pulled and taken to a machine shop. Best case scenario, that fucker holds, and you're good to go. So you might as well try it, because regardless, if it doesn't hold, you're gonna have to pull it, and take it to a machine shop anyways. So I'd say have that guy tighten it down and see what happens. Give it all the beans, man.
Okay. So I guess I'll just tell him to try it again then to see.
Just tell, I mean, if he said he could somewhat get the spark plug in, see if he can get it all the way in.
Okay, I'll tell him. I'll ask him, see what he tells me.
Okay, and if not, then it'll have to go to a machine shop.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you.
No problem. Bye-bye.
CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.